first thing I always do is play my favorite upbeat music and start dancing right away. It was a bright, wonderful morning when I arrived at my colorful clinic. The sun always makes me feel ready for science. Good morning, my little scientists! Let's dance our way to learning!
After my fun little dance, I looked over at the main table and spotted something big and yellow sitting there.
Wow! What a fantastically spiky fruit this is! I decided right then, let's see what marvelous secrets make this pineapple so powerful and fresh. I quickly adjusted my crisp white lab coat and put on my big magnifying glasses. Time for research! I carefully cut a small, juicy piece of the pineapple and placed it right under my special microscope. I can already smell the incredible sweetness, I whispered while leaning down to check what wonders were inside. After just a few seconds of observing the cells, I jumped up excitedly. The data was amazing! Wow! I found it! Pineapple is packed with vitamin C, lots of healthy fiber, and a special enzyme. This enzyme is called bromelain, and it helps our tummy digest food better and keeps us moving smoothly. So that's exactly why pineapples make our whole body feel so fresh and happy. Kids, if you eat pineapples, your tummies will stay healthy. Your skin will glow, and you'll feel totally full of energy.
I quickly grabbed my notebook and wrote down my huge finding. Today's discovery, pineapple fruitus, the fruit of freshness and energy.
Now, let's celebrate this science. I started dancing again, holding the pineapple like a trophy, singing, "The first thing I always do is play my favorite upbeat music and start dancing right away."